Most language learning apps teach vocabulary and grammar in isolation. They give you lists of words to memorize. They drill conjugations. They reward streaks and celebrate points. And they produce learners who can complete exercises correctly, but cannot hold a simple conversation without freezing the moment something unexpected is said. The gap between app fluency and real fluency is enormous. And it exists because apps teach language the way language is tested, rather than the way language is actually used. AI teaches language the way humans actually acquire it. Through conversation. Through correction that happens in context rather than in a structured exercise. Through the specific situations where the learner needs to communicate. And through the kind of patient, infinitely repeatable practice partner that human conversation teachers cannot provide at the cost and availability that learners need. Today, I am sharing the complete AI language learning system, the methods I used, and the sequence that produces the fastest, genuine progress. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why apps produce plateau learners. The app plateau is one of the most common and most demoralizing experiences in language learning. You reach a certain level. You can read simple texts, complete the app's exercises, recognize common phrases, and then progress stalls. Not because you have stopped practicing, because the type of practice the app provides no longer matches the type of fluency you are trying to develop. Apps are optimized for engagement rather than acquisition. They give you the dopamine of progress indicators, streaks, and completion badges. These engagement mechanisms keep you practicing, but they do not keep you improving. Because genuine language acquisition requires the kind of unpredictable, contextual, responsive practice that a fixed exercise cannot provide. The fastest language learners in every generation have always been the ones with the most access to genuine conversation practice with patient, corrective partners. AI makes that practice available to everyone, at any time, in any language, at any level. The 4-method system. The AI language learning system uses 4 methods in combination, each one addressing a different dimension of language acquisition. Method 1 is conversation practice. Every day, spend 20 minutes in conversation with Claude in your target language. Not a structured exercise. A genuine conversation about whatever is relevant to your life, your work, your interests, what you did yesterday, what you are thinking about. At the start of each session, tell Claude your current level and ask it to converse naturally while pausing to correct any significant errors and explain the correction in simple terms. Not every error, significant ones. Overcorrection destroys conversation flow. Undercorrection allows errors to become permanent habits. The daily conversation session is the most important element of the system. It is also the most uncomfortable element for most learners, because real conversation exposes the gaps that exercises never reach. That discomfort is the signal that genuine acquisition is happening. Method 2 is contextual vocabulary. Rather than memorizing vocabulary lists, ask Claude to teach you the 30 most useful words and phrases for a specific situation you will actually encounter. A business meeting in your target language. A social dinner. A trip to a market. A professional email. Contextual vocabulary acquisition produces words and phrases that are immediately available in the situations where you need them, rather than words that were learned in isolation and are only retrievable in similar isolation. Method 3 is error pattern analysis. Once per week, give Claude a piece of writing you have produced in your target language and ask it to identify your 3 most consistent error patterns. Not every error, the patterns. Systematic errors reveal systematic gaps in your understanding. Addressing the pattern rather than the individual error produces the fastest grammar improvement. Method 4 is shadowing with comprehension. Find audio content in your target language at a level slightly above your current comfort. Podcasts, interviews, short videos. Listen and repeat what you hear as closely as possible, matching the rhythm, the pronunciation, and the intonation rather than just the words. After each shadowing session, give Claude a transcript of a section you found difficult and ask it to explain anything you did not fully understand. The comprehension conversation after shadowing accelerates both listening and speaking development simultaneously. Building the daily practice structure. The system works best when each method has a designated time in the daily practice structure. 20 minutes of conversation practice, the foundation of the system. This happens first every day before motivation wanes and before time pressure arrives. 10 minutes of contextual vocabulary, building the specific language for one situation relevant to your near-term goals. This can happen during a lunch break or a commute. Shadowing, 15 to 20 minutes, built into another part of the day. Commuting, exercising, or any other activity that allows listening and quiet repetition. The weekly error pattern analysis takes 30 minutes and is the only element that does not happen daily. 50 minutes of active daily practice. 1 weekly review. Consistent and sustainable rather than heroic and intermittent. The mindset that accelerates everything. The fastest language learners share one characteristic that no app can teach and that most learners resist. They are comfortable being wrong in the target language before they are ready. The discomfort of producing imperfect language, of saying something incorrectly and being corrected, is what triggers acquisition. Language that is heard and understood but never produced stays passive. Language that is produced, however imperfectly, becomes active. The AI conversation partner removes one of the largest barriers to early production: the fear of embarrassing yourself in front of a native speaker. Claude does not judge. It does not lose patience. It does not make you feel foolish for making the same mistake 3 times. It simply corrects and continues. The practice conversations that feel most uncomfortable, where you are stretching further than you are comfortable with, are the ones producing the most acquisition. Seek the discomfort, rather than staying in the comfort of exercises you can already complete correctly. Your action plan. Starting today. Open Claude today and start your first conversation session in your target language. Tell Claude your level. Ask it to converse naturally and correct significant errors. 20 minutes. Whatever level you are at. The conversation that feels too hard is the conversation doing the most work. What language are you currently learning or have always wanted to learn? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a system for finally making real progress with language learning, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.